So we're just about through the finishing stage of our XP Guitar Kit. The last thing we need to do is just seal this neck. Oils from our hands or anything, dirt, any residue on our hands can end up on our fretboard, obviously. So most of the time a maple fretboard like this is sealed. Rosewood fretboards typically are not. So we're going to need to seal this. What I'm going to do is just wipe on an oil. It would be better to do this obviously if the frets weren't in the neck already, which is why this sort of job's always normally done beforehand. And just wipe directly onto that fretboard. So I'll come back in about 10 minutes and just wipe away any excess that hasn't absorbed into that neck. May do a second coat, which will be much the same as the first.